I am making some changes from this video. There are some viewers who are asking me what I believe will be the forecast for Wednesday. Normally, I would have held off for a little while. Towards the end of the day, I would have given it to you. But they are saying that since tomorrow is a holiday, stock market holiday as far as Indian stock markets is concerned, they would like to take certain positions based on how I believe Wednesday will span out. Since my work is entirely to help you guys make some money, let me also give you my forecast for Wednesday. Wednesday will be a little different from today. In fact, a little bit of a reverse situation is arising. As I can see, the early morning will be really difficult till about 11:30, and thereafter you may see a good recovery taking place, which should be fairly decent in nature. However, do not forget that this recovery could last till about, say, for 3 hours. So about 2:30, 2:45, you will see some recovery that takes place, and then over the last, I would say, 45 to 50 minutes, you will see another sharp fall in the Indian stock markets. Okay, so morning session pretty poor till about 11:30. You see a good recovery from 11:30 till 2:30, and thereafter the closing session will be again difficult. I would say the last 45 minutes will be again pretty negative for the Indian stock markets. So those who have their positions in options and futures, they would be particularly interested as to how the markets could behave on Wednesday, and what positions they should take based on how I am telling them about my likely scenario for Wednesday. And if you were to tell me how sharp the fall will be, the falls will be pretty sharp in the morning, but the recovery will also be quite decent. But don't forget that the closing moments will be rather difficult, and I would not be surprised to, in fact, even see Nifty give up substantial amount of the gains it had made in the afternoon session. So please take that into consideration. This is my forecast for Wednesday. In a nutshell, I'm giving it to you. In a detailed view, I will tell you a little later how other things can happen. I can even give you an hourly forecast. But this I really wanted to quickly reach across to you guys, as I did not realize. But yes, tomorrow is the closing is shut on the stock exchanges. So you have again another truncated week, and markets will reopen only on Wednesday. So you want to take your positions based on this forecast of Wednesday. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.